Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Kenwood supports Bluetooth and has the latest firmware. This prevents pairing errors. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable so the head unit can find it. Once done, power the Kenwood radio and open its Bluetooth or phone menu. Do not leave the unit asleep. You're beginning the pairing handshake now. These steps make sure both devices are actively searching and ready, which speeds the connection process and reduces failures. You now perform the actual pairing. Choose Pair or Add Device on the Kenwood, then start a scan on your phone to locate the unit's Bluetooth name. When both devices show each other, confirm the PINs match. Common defaults include 0000 or 1234, but follow the prompt. Make sure to grant permissions for contacts and media on your phone so calls and audio work properly. Once paired, the Kenwood often lists the device. You finish by testing audio playback and hands-free calling. Play music and make a quick call to confirm microphone routing and media volume. If the devices won't connect, delete the Kenwood entry from your phone and remove your phone from the Kenwood, then retry the pairing sequence. This clears stale profiles. If problems persist, reset the Kenwood Bluetooth module or update firmware. These steps resolve lingering bugs. One troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices after a failed attempt. Often that restores normal pairing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.